Hi everybody, today we are installing Merlyn Origin onto Mac OS. We begin here at the teacher portal, portal.merlyn.org. Once you get to this page, come on over to this download button right over here, and we're going to click on download. First off, we need to download the Merlyn Origin Chrome extension and click Add to Chrome and add extension. Yes. That's the easy part. That one is done. Fabulous. Next up, right under it, download the Merlyn Origin desktop app for Mac. Let's download that. This page will prompt you with the big green button for the download that you need for your computer. The download will begin, and it will be a zip file. Next up, let's go ahead and open our Finder so that we can get to our downloads page. Here we see the zip. Double click it to unzip the application. Then drag the application from downloads into applications right here and drop. Once it's in applications, open it up. Yes, we know it's from the internet. Let's open it. Thank you. Merlyn is loading. There we go. We've got it. It is installed already. So now we need to connect our USB. If you don't have a USB-A, you will need an adapter from USB-A to USB-C, or connect it to a dock that has a USB-A port attached to it. I'm going to plug mine into my dock right now. Click on this little top button, then I just need to log in. You can log in with your preferred authentication, Google or Microsoft, up to you. And now that I am logged in, I can use the mouse. I can move it around, and I can ask it things, and I can tell it to do stuff like open my attendance. Wonderful. Have a great day, everyone.